Hello friends, last week we have seen a method to download videos and audios from YouTube and Facebook using an application called Videodar. This application can be used for downloading images from Instagram also. In official Instagram app, there is no option for downloading the images. But if we have installed this Videodar app, we just have to copy the link of that image and a pop-up will appear at the bottom of the screen. Just click the download button and it will list the available resolutions of that image. Just select one of those and click the download button. The image will be downloaded. The same method can be used for downloading videos also from this Instagram app. Thank you for watching this video.